Have you ever wondered what it feels like to be stung or bitten by the world's deadliest creatures? Imagine trekking through the dense jungles of Amazon, the scorching desert of Sahara, or diving deep into the mysterious oceans, knowing that with just one bite or sting, your life could hang in the balance. But just how deadly are these creatures really? Do they deserve their fearsome reputation? Or is there more to these venomous animals? Or are we just afraid of the unknown? In today's episode of Wild Kingdom, we are diving into the mysterious and often misunderstood world of the venomous creatures. We will explore the science behind the venom, how it works, and whether humans are truly at risk. We are talking about the snakes that can take down an elephant with a single bite, the teeny jellyfish that can stop a human heart in minutes, and more. Stick with us as we uncover the secrets of the nature's most dangerous weapons. You will learn about the top venomous contenders, the surprising role they play in their ecosystem, and the truth behind their interaction with humans. Trust me, this is one journey into the wild you would not want to miss. Let's start our journey with the island taipan, often called the fire snake for some reason. Found in the remote regions of Australia, this snake holds the title of most venomous snake on the planet. Just one bite delivers enough venom to kill over 100 adult humans. But despite its lethal potential, the island taipan is incredibly reclusive, preferring to avoid human contact altogether. Remarkably, there are no records from this snake bite, an ironic twist from the world's most dangerous serpent. Next on our list is the box jellyfish, a creature as beautiful as it is deadly. Found primarily in the warm coastal waters of the Indo-Pacific, this jellyfish venom is one of the most potent in the world. Its sting causes excruciating pain, and in severe cases they can lead to the cardiac arrest within the minutes. The box jellyfish uses its venom primarily for hunting small fishes and shrimps. But when humans come into contact with its tentacles, the result can be tragic. Moving from the ocean to the desert, we encountered the dead stalker scorpion, a small but incredibly dangerous arachnid found across the North Africa and the Middle East. Its venom is the potent cocktail of the neurotoxin that can cause intense pain, paralysis, and even death, particularly in the young children or those with a weak immune systems. The dead stalker sting is not something to be taken lightly, yet it plays a crucial role in controlling insect population, highlighting the delicate balance of nature. The ocean is home to some of the most venomous creatures on earth, and few are as very deceptive as the stonefish, often referred to as the most venomous fish in the world. The stonefish is a master of camouflage, blending seamlessly with its surroundings. But if stepped on, it delivers a venomous sting that can cause excruciating pain, tissue damage, or in some cases even death. Despite its fearsome reputation, the stonefish is not aggressive and only uses its venom in self-defense. So, what makes venom so powerful, and why have these creatures evolved to be dangerous? Venom is essentially a complex mixture of proteins and enzymes that can attack the nervous system, blood cells, or tissues. Depending on the type, these creatures use venom for various reasons. Some for hunting, others for self-defense, and in some cases to establish a dominance in their habitats. While these animals are undoubtedly dangerous, it's important to remember that they don't seek out human interactions. Most venomous creatures would rather flee that fight when confronted by the human. Understanding their behavior and respecting their space can go a long way in preventing dangerous encounters. In the end, the world's most venomous creatures are the reminder of the incredible diversity and the power of nature. While they may seem terrifying, they play a vital role in their ecosystem, helping to maintain the balance and control population. These creatures are not a villain, they are a savior, perfectly adapted to their environment. Thanks for joining us on this deep dive into the world of venomous creatures. If you found this video as fascinating as we did, be sure to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment below with your thoughts. And remember, knowledge is the best defense. Stay curious, stay informed, and stay safe. We will see you in the next wild adventure.